Okay, yes, welcome to Guru Tutorials YouTube channel. This is the sum belongs to some applications on trigonometry. It will carry 3 marks. This question often and often they ask in the annual examination. It is in 2020, 22 and 23. They ask this question. The question is like this. A tower and a building are standing vertically on the same level ground. A tower and a building are standing vertically on the same level ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So, this is a building and this is a tower which is standing same level ground. Okay. Here, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower. This is the top of the building. The angle of elevation is how many degree? 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. From the top of the tower to foot of the building is how many degree? 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, what is the height of the tower? That is 50 meter. Height. What we have to find out? We have to find out the height of the building. The height of the building we have to find out. Let me to give the name A, B, C and D. Are you okay with this rough diagram as per the question? Understood? Let us find out the value. So first, I know the height of the tower, but I don't know what is the distance between the foot of the tower to the foot of the building. First, let me to find out that foot of the tower to foot of the building. So in the first step, the distance between foot of the tower to foot of the building. So foot of the tower to foot of the building means BC value I have to find out. Which value I have to find out? Which length we have to find out? BC length. I know AB, I have to find out BC. So let me to take a triangle ABC only. Which triangle I am going to take? Only ABC. This is B angle is right angle. C angle is theta here, that is 60 degree. I know this is 50 meter, that is opposite side I know. I have to find out adjacent side first. In the first step. Opposite and adjacent means which form we have to go? Tan form we have to go. Which form? Tan. So in the first step, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. So what is the theta value? 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equals to what is the opposite? AB by what is the adjacent? BC. What is the value of tan 60? What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. The value of tan 60 is root 3 is equals to AB. The length of AB is 50 meters and the length of BC I have to find out. In the denominator there is nothing means 1. Now what to do here? On cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication from here to here, I have to multiply. From here to here, I have to multiply. When we can able to do cross multiplication means when it is equals either side, we can able to do the cross multiplication. So root 3 into BC, root 3 BC is equals to 50 ones are 50. I need a value of BC. In between root 3 and BC, what is the sign? Multiplication. Into root 3 will come equals another side. BC is equals to 50 divided by root 3. Whenever the denominator is having irrational number, because root 3 is an irrational number, whenever the denominator is having irrational number, we have to make it into rational. How to make it into rational? You know very well, rationalize the denominator and simplify. That method let me to do. So BC is equals to 50 by root 3. What is the rationalizing factor for root 3? Root 3 itself. So multiply both the side root 3 by root 3. So now BC is equals to 50 into root 3, 50 root 3 divided by root 3 and root 3 you multiply, you will get root 9. What you will get? Root 9. So BC is equals to 50 root 3 by 9 square root is 3. Either from 350 will divide? No. So what is the distance between the foot of the tower to foot of the building? That is 50 root 3 meters. Just I know foot of the tower to foot of the building. Now in the second step, let me to find out the height of the building, because now I know this foot of the distance between foot of the tower to foot of the building. Second step, the height of the building, that is DC, is equals to, that is let me to go tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. In which triangle I am taking? In triangle BDC. Which triangle I am taking here? The triangle BDC. Here which triangle I am taking? In triangle ABC. The first step I am taking ABC triangle. Second step I am taking BDC. BDC triangle like this. This is D, this is C, this is B. B is the theta, that is 30 degree. And I know this is 50 root 3 BC. I have to find out CD or DC. Correct now? So we have to go towards tan form. What is the theta value here? What is the theta value? Tan 30 degree. Correct no? Theta value 30 only no? Tan 30 degree is equals to opposite, it is CD divided by adjacent, that is BC. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equals to CD value I don't know, let me to write CD. BC value I know, that is 50 root 3. Are you okay with this? Now on cross multiplication. What I have to do? On cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication, CD into root 3 CD is equals to 50 root 3 ones are 50 root 3. I need a value of CD. Correct now? Therefore, CD is equals to 50 root 3 by, what is here? Root 3. Root 3 and root 3, what happens? CD is equals to how many meters? Is it possible CD is 50 meters? Because tower is also, height is 50 meters. Building also 50 meters. Somewhere you told me wrong. What is the tan 30 value? See properly. 1 by root 3. What is the value of tan 60? Are you sure? Tan 30 1 by root 3 and it is okay. I'm sorry. BC value is how much? 50 root 3 by 3. I forgot here. 50 root 3 by 3. This is also 50 root 3 by 3. This is a 50 root 3 by 3. This is by 3. So this will come how much? 50 by 3 meters. How many meters? CD value 50 by 3 meter. It means from 3 I have to divide which one? 50. Let us divide from 3 to 50. 3 ones are 3. If you subtract, 2 remains, step down 0, it will become 20. 3 6 are 18. 2 remains, take a point, take 1 0. 3 6 are 18. 2 remains, take 1 0. 3 6 are 18. It is going on. So how many meters we got? CD is equals to 16.66 meters. So what is the height of the building? The height of the building is 16.66 meters. Understood this one? Understood? Are you sure? If the value differs, we will get the wrong value. So here BC value what we got? 50 root 3 by 3. If you substitute 50 root 3 by 3, then only you will get CD value is how much? 16.66. Understood? Are you sure? Thank you very much.